take that and put in there. So here we go. Welcome to Broken and Smoking. What's going on, everybody? We're going to access this here trunk today to see just how bad the damage is. Don't know what that used to be. But I'd say the trunk is pretty well toast. If anybody's looked for a trunk pan for a 67 Galaxie, it is ridiculous. I mean, cash out the 400K, yeah, it's crazy. So after getting some basic measurements, and I think I can get by with cutting out, you know, up here in this region, I think I can make this Ford a Camaro. This here's a lot cheaper. Anybody that knows, these are about $100. And there's the part number. 67 and 8 trunk floor. I guess a 69 is different. Sure didn't know that. No, here's the part number. But we're gonna try and take that and put in there. So here we go. Well, I guess the first thing we're gonna do is go through the trunk and see what goodies we got left out here. Looks like we got a good jack. Still works. Huh. Well, that's cool. Save it. Well, here's even the thing to it. Oh, I forget what this is called. I ain't seen one of those in real long time. Go up. Here's a fan. Sure, that came off the 390. That's how I know that it was a 390. Plus the badge, it's on the fender, you know. A real good Gates radiator hose. Might want to hang on to that. Get that in a little bit. Some more brackets. Water pump pullers, maybe. Is this an idler? Maybe for an AC. Water pump. Stuff somewhere. Still spins. Let's go into the junk pile. Is that a good battery cable? What's that? Piece of a brake line, maybe? I don't know. Well, I guess that's all the goodies for now. So this is what we've got planned. We're gonna cut all this out to put this in there. Can you see it? Hey, I'm still learning these selfie stickers. So I'm about to get the plasma ready. Let's see, how's that work? All right, let's give her a trial fit. It don't like much, I'll tell you. I guess the first thing I need to do is cut the hole. Need to finish cutting this out. Don't do what I just did. Always wear your safety glasses first. And on the plus side, if you got a window licker down there at the trailer park, go down there and get one of them there masks, put it on too, because it gets pretty dusty and nasty. There we go. Now we got one big old hole in the trunk. I got all the rust cut out. We got a little lip here. Let's see what we can come up with. It's close. It's close, there, sonnies. How are we going to do that? Now, let's see here. Probably need to trim some off back here. No, we're going to trim this first. We'll trim that off. That'll give us a spot right here to fit in. And we'll go from there. And if you ever want to start a fire, just plasma a part on top of a trash can. Yeah. Let's see if we can. Well, I don't smell the trash can burning. That's a good thing. I think I can trim it right here. Cut a little trim down to about right there. And I think I can flatten this out enough to get this down Same thing over here. Not right there. Trim it. Or not trim it, just cut a pie cut. Reshape it. And get it to setting flat. We'll try that. Now let's try it. Now we're back after it's cooled down, and I'm going to show y'all how to make all them seams disappear. We're going to seal it up. And you probably know how I'm going to seal it up. We're going to get the Gorilla Tape out again. I'll probably leave these. Get our old Gorilla Tape out, stick on these seams. There goes the step kid. Now we're going to continue filling up these seams. My stepkid came in here, thought I was talking to myself, thought I was crazy, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you got me filming.
Yeah. Gotta put you to work. Hey, that's some good tape.
Might need a duct tape with the redhead stepkid's smart valve.
This ain't duct tape, this is Gorilla Tape. This is better duct tape. I'll take your mouth with this. You won't smart off no more. We.
Nope.
Now I'm gonna cover up these self-tapping screws. Man, look at there, it's almost like brand new, ain't it? Supposed to be filming this, not me. Now I'm gonna blow it out. So if you seen my last video, you know I probably got some of this left. Now we're gonna, wouldn't call it undercoat because it would be inside coat. So I guess we're gonna inside coat it. Is that what you'd call it, Whit?
Yep. You know, at first I thought that was wash cam spray.
Did you?
Yep.
This stuff's too expensive. But then again, the other stuff getting ridiculous too. Want to spray some?
Sure. Yeah.
Try to shake it up real good.
They got the spray.
In the bottom. Like up where those spots they ain't got yet. Kind of hold it back. There you go.